Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
Either Alice or Bob will lead the project. If you study hard, then you will pass the exam. No sooner had he arrived than he had to leave. She is both intelligent and hardworking. Not only was the weather bad, but also the traffic was terrible. Both the manager and the assistant was at the meeting. Not only is he going to the party, but also he will stay for dinner. Not only did they play soccer, but also they went swimming. The movie was neither boring nor too long. Not only were the questions difficult, but also were they confusing. He will have to decide whether to stay or to go. Not only can she sing, but also can she dance. We will either watch a movie or play a game tonight.
Thanks for watching.